Hi guys, it's Nikki and Watson, and we are here because once again it is Stitch Fix Day. If you guys have noticed, I've been getting my fixes a little bit more frequently lately because it is freezing in Minnesota. And I don't want to go into like local weather issues because I know everyone has had extremes. So here it is right now 49 degrees. Okay, so anyway, for those of you who have not watched me before, I am doing an unboxing and try-on video for Stitch Fix, which is a clothing subscription service. So yeah. If you've not already tried the service, you can use my referral and get $25 off the service, and then I will also get a $25 credit. So that would be fantastic if you want to try the service. You do not have to use my referral, you can use someone else's. So anyway, we're going to jump right in and open this box. Okay, so here's the bundle. It's all falling apart. All right. So as I mentioned, I did peek online, but I have not seen these things in real life. So starting out with this gray. Okay, this is the one that has the asymmetrical hem. Can you see that? It's a light gray. It looks like it's fairly see-through material, and really lightweight. So I will try it. I don't typically love asymmetrical hems, and it's not super warm, but I will give it a shot. Okay, the next one, this one's interesting. When I saw this online, this one is by Market and Spruce, and it's this really pretty sort of dark blue top with the lighter blue in the middle. It is very much of a boho style. Again, interestingly, another asymmetrical hem. So I will try this on. Yeah, I haven't had huge luck with the asymmetrical hems and how they look on me. And that shirt's a little bit longer, so we'll check that out. Okay, this one. Let me see what this looks like. Okay, this is by Fortune and Ivy. And this is a really lightweight knit. It's brush, that soft brush knit material. So again, not very heavy, but this color is really gorgeous. I love it. Of course, this color is not gorgeous on me typically, so I will try it on and see if I can either put something closer to my face or maybe a scarf or something. We'll see. Okay, so I'm going to try that one on. Still a little more lightweight than what I'm looking for right now. Okay, so now we've got some crazy patterns right in a row. Okay, this first one, let's see who this is by. This is by Design History. Okay, and look at this crazy sweater. I mean, I don't typically wear a lot of blue, so that right up front is a little change for me. And I do love animal pattern. I'm getting into it to a certain extent, even though I don't love patterns in general. But I'll try this. I'm game. I think it might be a little busier than I can handle, but it's nice and thick and warm. Really nice and thick and warm. Again, I'll put the names and give you the prices of everything at the end. Last but not least, another animal print. This is by Sanctuary, and yeah, I'll put the name up. So this is one of those sort of longer cardigans, and it just has the kind of regular sleeves. There's no pockets, at least not that I can see. No pockets, so it's just kind of a straight up and down. So I will try this on. Like I said, I do like the pattern. It looks a little big for me, but a lot of times I have issues with cardigans just like kind of overwhelming my body. So anyway, I'm gonna go try these things on. If you guys are still watching, I will be back and do a wrap up when I'm done. Thanks so much. Oh, nice, Watson. Okay, see how this works? All right, so here is the gray top, which is by Babo, and it is this asymmetrical hem, as you can see, in the front and the back. I think it's just a little big on me, if you can see that. It's loose and big. It's not the worst fit in the world if it was maybe a size smaller. And also, for those of you who might be interested in this, it's got just kind of a lightweight rib to it. Really lightweight, so not a lot of warmth. Like I said, it's basically like a t-shirt that's a little bit of a brush knit. So cute top. I don't love it on me, but I will be back with the next one. Okay, so this top, I surprisingly like it more than I thought I would when I looked at it, both online and out of the box. But so it's very lightweight, so this is probably not something that I would be getting a lot of use out of at this time of year. But here's what it looks like. It does have this tie at the top. I don't really like it tied, but there's different things you could do if you wanted to. But I like it untied, and I think that the asymmetrical hem. Are you okay there, Lots? Don't let me bother you in any way. I'll move around you. Okay, so anyway, this is what it looks like, and it has these fun banded, like, cutout sleeves. What are these called? Bell sleeves. And then this is what it looks like in the back. Kind of wrinkly, I guess. So here's this shirt. And I'm not sure what I think about it. I like the color a lot. Give me your feedback. This is very different for me. Not necessarily my style. I do like a little bit of boho more in the summer, but, and again, I guess it's kind of a summer top. I don't know. Tell me your feedback. Will this drive me crazy? I don't think you could eat very well with this on. Okay, so kind of as I suspected, this is pretty big on me. The colors are gorgeous, so I really do like this sort of that camel background, and it's got the black and a little bit of brown. This is my favorite sort of shade of leopard. Is this leopard or cheetah? Is this cheetah? Tell me. Okay, I will go look it up. You don't have to tell me, but if you know, go ahead. So this is big. I like it if it was smaller. Like, see how big it is on the sides and the back. So I do love the colors. I love the concept. It's just a little bit big, and this is the smallest size that they carry, so I do not think I will be able to size down. But for those of you who have seen this and may be interested in it, it is really cute. I think if it fit me right, I would actually consider keeping it, of course, depending on the price. Okay, so on to, I have two left. Watson, are you just going to sleep the whole time? Okay, so here is this, I guess I would say mustard colored shirt. Again, interesting hemline, I find. It is kind of just that it's cut up, and then it has that slit, and it is a low-high, or a high-low, however you prefer to say it. I actually really do like this more than I thought. I know you can see right now this color is not the best on me, and so I love it, but it's not the best on me. However, I'm thinking I'm going to try two things quickly. Okay, so I just grabbed one of my jackets and threw it on, and I think when you do that, you help, break up the mustard color with your face or against your face. So this is possible that this might work. So this is it with a scarf. I don't know if I would wear it with a scarf. Why am I doing this? Okay, but if I needed to go, sometimes if I have to go, I always say, like, if I have to go to a PTO, like a parent-teacher conference. Okay, you know what PTO is. Okay, anyway, this is how it looks with the scarf. You can dress it up a little bit, and again, not that I do like this scarf. It again breaks up. So it would help. Like if you do this. I feel like a poet. Hey, Watson, do you want to move? Would it be great if you not... I'm going to get off the rug so I can walk out here. Look at my patterned shirt. Okay, so here is the blue pattern sweater. Okay, here's what it looks like. It has obviously the dark blue sleeves and the collar, sort of mock neck. What do you think about this? This is a crazy sweater. It's just a little different for me. What do you think of this sweater? It's interesting. I don't hate it. But it's actually pretty warm, and yeah, I don't know. I would love to hear your thoughts. I wonder if I need a bigger size. Like, I don't know. Sometimes I don't like when things are just a little short. I guess it's not that short. Anyway, this is the last one. This is the one where I would love your feedback. And I will just kind of tell you my thoughts when I sit down. So whenever you get a box from Stitch Fix, it always includes 5 items. You do get a style card, which includes this note from the stylist, so you can see who your stylist is. Mine is Kathleen. I think I mentioned this. Maybe I didn't, but I've been kind of bumped around a few times. Erin was styling me for a little bit. So yeah, Kathleen has done, I think this is my 3rd fix. So this is the style card, and they also give you the price sheet. But the best part is they do give you that already postage paid return envelope if you want to return anything or exchange anything, and I do like that. Okay, so let me just go through this quickly. We started out with this. Okay, it's the Bobo top that you've seen the name of already. It's light gray. It is 54 degrees. It is 49 degrees. This is $54. So $54, and this is also a size small, which is a little bit, it's just a size up for me, and I think it's just interesting because it seems like it's already a looser top. But at any rate, $54, you know, I probably would not pay that for this, and this isn't my style anyway, so that one I am not keeping. The next one that I think I'm still kind of like confused over, but kind of like, is this Market and Spruce. This is the one with the shark bite hem in indigo. And this is $68. It's so cute. It's just so different than what I have, but it is completely thin material, and $68, you know, I just don't know if I'll be wearing it that much right now. It's one of those things I want to be like, hey, hold and send me, you know, next May or June, to be realistic. Okay, so this one I'm confused about, but that price is tough. Okay, next is this long cardigan. This one was from Sanctuary, and I just looked at this on the sheet. This is $109. I think it's a decent cardigan. It's not the heaviest one. I cannot afford $109, so I will be sending this one back. It also was a little big on me. Okay, next is this top by Fortune and Ivy. Interestingly, this says it's orange. I mean, it is a kind of an interesting shade of mustard, but it has that little marbled look, kind of, where the darker flecks in there, kind of grayish black. But I would not call this orange. Okay, so this one is $44. So I do like kind of the simplicity of this top and the way that you can layer it with things. So it's a possibility, but I know this is not my best color. So, and it's not that warm. Would love your feedback on that one. And then last but not least, let's see, what is this one called? This is the Design History sweater in off-white. $68 for this one. So it is very heavy, I will say that. I mean, if you're looking for a very heavy sweater, which I am, this is perfect. I am just not sure about this pattern. It's crazy, and I know I could pull it off, but it's going to be one of those things, will I choose to wear it when I have other options? So would love your feedback on this one as well. If you are still watching, thank you so much for watching, and I'm sorry that Watson, once again, he is getting older, and one of you said or asked if I could show a baby picture of Watson, and I just wanted to say that we actually adopted Watson from the Great Dane Society when he was just over a year old. So we did not have Watson as a baby, but he has been with us now for 4 years, and he has changed our lives in good ways and not so good ways. But I love him very much, so I just wanted to comment on that. For those of you who are still watching, thank you. I so much appreciate you watching. If you've not already done so, please subscribe, and I will see you next time I get a Stitch Fix box.